Here is my advice to Teacher May Tiburcio. Like I said to her, I don't want to make enemies with her. I do not want to harass her. I am giving her advice. Do not be friends with Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr., Jean Asejo, G. Macasandil, Jeffrey Asejo, and Angelo Bonsa. All of them are imbecile. All of them, they are assholes. Sorry for my word, with all due respect in English languages, because I do not say foul languages anyway. So for me, I'm just gonna say to you, Teacher May Tiburcio, you choose your nephew Rafael Tiburcio or your stupid friend Jean Asejo, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, G. Macasandil, Angelo Bonsa, and even Jeffrey Asejo. You choose. For me, I am saying to you, do not be friends with them. With all due respect, do not be friends with them. Here is my warning to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You know Arnel Castillo, Best Pills. Why are you threatening Joseph Maspinas? Why are you threatening other people in social media? Even Ninang Bebe, Marisol Gabag, you try to involve her in the group chat. Why? Tell me, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Tell me. You know what, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asejo, for all of you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asejo, G. Macasandil, Jeffrey Asejo, Angelo Bonsa. All of you don't have shame of yourselves. All of you don't have show all of yourself ashamed of yourselves. However, why do all of you want to make a bomb joke? Why do all of you want to make a death threats, rape, and terrorism? Why? Like I said before, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Now you see, remember, like I said to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asejo, G. Macasadil, Jeffrey Asejo, and Angelo Bonsa. All of you are being ashamed of all of yourselves, because this is not good. Me, as I'm a good person, I'm not making enemies. This is nonsense. For me, folks, I do not want to make enemies. For me, I'm saying to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you have to stop what you're doing at death threats. For me, you make me involve. You make involve others. Stop this. For me, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, why you idolize dear Satan? Like Paulo Contis and Aya Fernandez. Because you idolize Satan. Me, I was very angry. I'm very disappointed what we are. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asejo, G. Macasandil, and Jeffrey Asejo. Please, all of you, just stop. We are not making enemies in social media. We need to learn how we educate to all of you. I'm not making enemies. I do not want to fight. Stop this fight. Look at Victor Martin Soriano, Harbatera. he said to me, we do not want fights, or we do not want wars, or we need to make peace, or because Victor Martin Soriano, Harbatera, is just like David Gill, or he learns how to change himself, or he doesn't like that, or me, I'm not always like that in social media, or please, all of you, just stop. I am not here to pick up a fight. Oh, when you heard about enemies, Don Mardayo says to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, why you idolize dear Satan, Satan is a devil. You don't know what is Satan, including in Quran and Bible, Satan is the number one enemy of Christian and Muslims, Shia and Sunnis, however, we should never trust Satan, Satan is the devil, you don't know what is Satan, do you know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, why Satan was very happy that Jesus was crucified? Because of you. You know, you make me angry. You idolize Satan. Me, I'm not idolizing Satan. I idolize Jesus. Prophet Muhammad. I'm not particularly to Satan. I idolize Imam Mahdi. I idolize Jesus. I'm not idolizing Satan. And you don't know what is dear Satan. Satan is a devil. You mean Santa. For example, Santa who gave us toys in Christmas. I know it's a Christmas celebration and they gave us toys and gifts. Jose Marie Chan said so. Or Christmas in our heart. We gave us toys and gift. We have to aware from this situation. Best Pills. Arnel Castillo, you know Best Pills. Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr., Jean Asedio, Jima Casadil, Jeffrey Asedio, and Angelo Bonsa. We do not, all of you should never idolize Satan. Satan is a devil. Would you like to praise the Satan and the devil? You make the Catholics and Muslims, Shia and Sunnis, and Christians, and even Christian Orthodox and other religions in the Philippines, like Dating Daan, the religion of Tatay Arnold, Iglesia ni Cristo, that's a religion of Mang Mani or KOJC Kingdom of Jesus Christ, that's a religion of Bam Hernando's dad, Jose Marie Hernando, and that was owned by Apollo Kibuloy. Usually do not trust the Satan. Satan is the real enemy. You know, for me, Best Pills, Ardel Castillo, you're not being blessed by my former friend David Gill, you're not being blessed by Victor Martin Soriano, aka Harbatera. Devil is the real enemy, Best Pills. You don't know what is that dear Satan. That movie of Paulo Contis, it's demonic. We do not trust demonic. If you have the horn, it's coming Halloween. I said, dear Satan, we will celebrate Halloween. Do not idolize the Satan. Satan is abnormal. Satan is an asshole. Remember that, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo. Satan is the enemy of Jesus and Imam Mahdi. You don't know about in the Bible. You don't know about in Quran. People are there, they don't like Dear Satan, or you watch the movie Dear Satan, or Paulo Contis, or I do not watch Dear Satan, or do not trust the Satan. God always says to you, to the Bible, or like I say to you, Best Pills, Ardel Castillo, do not idolize Satan. You idolize Satan, you make me angry. You idolize Satan, you make me angry. Oh, what kind of person are you, Best Pills? Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, Jim Acasandil, Jeffrey Asedio, and Angelo Bonsa. What all of you want to watch at Dear Satan? We are not going to watch at Dear Satan. If I put this petition in the Viva Films, I will tell the Viva Films, even in the MTRCB, ban that movie of Dear Satan of Paulo Contis. It's an enemy of Jesus, the enemy of Imam Mahdi, the enemy of Ali Khamenei and Rahula Khomeini. Satan is the real enemy. We do not care about Satan.